If you guys are here, then it means that you're probably ready to start your own homestead or farm, and I and Chris truly believe that this is the best time to start a homestead as well. We recently had a big chat about our first year homesteading. I'll go ahead and link that video down below so you can check out the full video. But here's just a snippet of that video where we talk about why we decided to start a homestead and why we think it is the opportune time to start it now. I'm Danielle, this is Chris of the Slaughterhouse Farm. Welcome to our channel, and we hope that you guys enjoy this clip.
It takes a lot of time to accomplish the end goals of homesteading, of being able to be self-sustainable. It's not a quick thing to turn around. It's going to be multiple years and a lot of effort. So getting started now just puts you one step forward for tomorrow, being there to accomplish your end goal. There's a lot of tests, and there's always something else that can be done. So starting now allows you to get to more things.
I would say for me, starting now is just the craziness that we're in. This past year, I think, has taught us so much. And one, just not being able to leave your house as often is how can you make your house your oasis?
Very true.
That's definitely something that we've thought about a lot. We've done a few vacations, but if your house is the place that you want to be the most, then make it amazing. And why do you need to travel as much? You can still learn so much in your own area with your family and friends. So I think that's been one thing, especially with travel bans where you can't even go places. And then number two, inflation that we're having lately. Prices are going to go up. Prices of food and beverages and vegetables are already starting to go up. There isn't as much ability to ship things. There aren't as many drivers, and the cargo ships are not able to come in as often. So how can we create our own food and become more self-sustainable? I think that was more of your goal at the very beginning of this, and now going through the process, I definitely agree. There's so many things I think about, and how can we really live off the grid? How can we have solar power? Because our power has gone out more this year than our entire lives. And it's not just where we live, because a lot of our family has had the same situations happen. We've had more flooding than we've seen in years. There's been crazy things with the weather that are happening in the area that we live in the Northeast that never happened. So
tornadoes and hurricanes.
Yeah, it's
never even knew that happened out here.
If we can control things, if we can can our own goods and make sure that we have our own supply of food without relying on the supermarket, which some of the aisles are completely barren when you go in them because just there isn't as much coming in. I think that makes a huge difference, and it just teaches you to love the earth and everything that the earth gives us, because it is an amazing planet.
Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, put a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all from Slaughterhouse Farm.